Alright guys, and welcome to this video. So on this video guys, we are going to be talking about how to participate on the latest and the fourth Binance Megadrop. Alright, so the whole process is very simple guys, and this airdrop is not actually for everyone, as this airdrop is going to be requiring some certain amount of USDT for you to be able to participate on it, though it is not something that much. Alright guys, without talking much, let's now get started properly with the video. Please, if you're coming across our channel for the first time, or if you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly do well to subscribe and support the channel. We are heading to 10,000 subscribers guys, and do not forget to like this video if you find it interesting, and you can also join our Telegram using the link right there on the video description box. So with that being said guys, let's now get started properly with the video. All right, so it is very important for me to let you know that this airdrop, or this mega drop on Binance currently, is going to be ending on the 14th of April, which is just 3 days from now. All right, so right now guys, to be able to participate on this airdrop, you need a minimum of you need 0.01 BNB. This should be equivalent to about $7. And right now guys, without wasting time, what you need to do is to simply go ahead and come over here to trade. Clicking on trade right now, you come over here to convert. You go ahead and convert $7, which is going to be giving you about 0.01 BNB. So with that done guys, you are now ready. So once you have gotten your BNB here, you need to go ahead and transfer the BNB to your Binance Web3 wallet. So already I've gone through the processes, and I have my BNB right here ready for me to use it and participate on this area. So to be able to transfer to get your BNB right here, simply click on receive. Then when you click on receive, you need to click on receive via address. Then finally you go ahead and select the token you want to be depositing. You click on BNB, and immediately they are going to be giving you you select BNB chain, not OP BNB chain. You select BNB chain, and immediately they are going to be giving you your address. You copy this address and then send some BNB to that address. And once you send the BNB, which is about $7 worth, immediately it is going to be reflecting right here. And to get started properly with the KernelDAO airdrop, which we're going to be hunting right here on Telegram, you need to come over here to your Binance wallet, not exchange, Binance wallet. To be able to get this Binance wallet, what you need to do is to simply go ahead and click on asset. Once you're on asset, then you click on wallet. You are going to be taken straight to Binance Web3 wallet. All right, so to be able to participate on that KernelDAO airdrop, all you need to do is simply, you can see, scroll down a little bit right here, and you're going to be seeing over here that we have quest right here. You can see we have complete quest to join Binance Megadrop. All right, KernelDAO. So you click on join right now. So once you click on join, you are going to be taken to the section where you need to read and take note of so many things. All right, so over here guys, you can see we have already more than 1 million persons participating on this, and these 1 million persons are going to be sharing 40 million kernel. All right, so if you are hearing about Binance Megadrop for the first time, this is actually a very good thing that you should join and participate on if you want to be doing it, because in a way it is free, because all your assets you are going to be using to participate on this is going to be given back to you. All right, so without wasting time guys, we are going to be talking about it right now. And you can see we have 2 days at the point of making this video. We have only 2 days left, and there are 2 ways to earn from this Binance current DAO. You can either lock your BNB for a certain period of time to actually earn a reasonable higher reward, but if you do not want to lock for this amount of time, then you go ahead and complete this Web3 quest. Normally this Web3 quest is the one that we are going to be talking about, but if you want to be boosting your earning, you go ahead and lock some BNB. So to be able to complete this Web3 quest for the KernelDAO airdrop, you go ahead and click on start quest. And once you click on start quest guys, you can see they're going to be giving you some certain information right here. And from here guys, you need to first of all complete the quest. All right, so if you want to be learning the tutorial, you click over here to show you the tutorial, to be able to see the tutorial. And right now guys, we need to go straight to the point because we do not have time. All right, so over here guys, you can see over here verified users are 595,000. And right guys, you need to verify before the ending date, which is next 2 days. So I'll click on start right now, and right there guys, I'm going to be taken to another page where I need to complete the quest. Okay, and they are going to be giving you this one right here, that after completing the quest, you need to come over here and verify. If you do not verify, you are not going to be getting anything. So I will click on OK right now, and then I'm going to be taken to the website where I'm going to be completing the KernelDAO task so that I can be able to earn the airdrop. All right, Right now, guys, this is the platform, and over here, guys, KernelDAO is actually a liquidity protocol where you can, stake token and get some token back as a reward. All right, so this is what basically KernelDAO is all about. So right now, guys, you need either ASBNB or BNB to participate on this, and already we have gotten our BNB. So right, if you have got your BNB, guys, you need to come over here and then proceed with the next action. You can see over here you need a minimum of 0.01, just like I said earlier. And right now, guys, you can see this is where you begin your journey. And if you have ASBNB, you start with this one. But if you have a BNB only, you click on stake BNB. So I will click on stake BNB right now, and I'm going to be brought right here. And the first thing you need to do once I've gotten right here is to go ahead and connect your wallet. I will click on connect wallet right now. Then I select Binance wallet like this. I will click on Binance wallet. Immediately, the wallet is going to be connected just like this, guys. And over here, guys, you can see your total BNB is going to be showing up right here. You need to put the amount you want to be staking. Remember, you can stake more than 0.01, and of course the amount of BNB you stake is actually going to be affecting the amount of reward you're going to be getting in return. Okay, so if I guess I need to go ahead and click on 0.01. Okay, and right, guys, I have it on my wallet, so I'm going to be clicking on stake right now. Okay, so I will click on stake right now, guys. You can see they are going to be asking me to actually wait for a little moment, and right now, guys, I need to approve this transaction by confirming it. I will click on confirm, and right now, guys, immediately we are going to be getting a message that our staking has gone through after I verify this right now. And in just a moment, a notification is going to be coming on saying that I have successfully participated on this, and you can see successfully we have now participated on this, and basically you can see contract call succeeded. And basically this is all you need to do for this KernelDAO airdrop. All right, so once you have done this right now, you are done with the first step. So right now the next thing we need to do is to go ahead and verify that we have actually done this. So to be able to do that, you need to go back to the Binance Web3 wallet. Okay, you need to go back like this, and coming back right here, we were taken back too far, so I will need to start afresh by clicking on join right now. So I've done everything. I need to just go right there and verify it. So I will click on start quest. Okay, clicking on start quest right now, then you need to wait for maybe 1 minute to 2 minutes or 5 minutes or even more before you verify this. So I will click on verify. Let me see if this is going to be going through. Okay, and you can see completed, task completed right now. We have now successfully verified this, that we have participated, and now basically me that's showing you this tutorial, my name has been recorded among those that are participating on this airdrop. So remember, if you do not verify that you have done it, it means you didn't do it. Okay, and right now you're going to see this message right here saying task completed, and this is basically all you need to do to participate on this Binance Megadrop. So talking about this locked BNB, I will click on subscribe right now, and over here, guys, you can see this is where lock your BNB, but I do not really advise it for you to engage in this one, because this may tend to lock your token for, like, even when you need it, you may not be able to get it immediately, because basically I don't really understand how this works over here on locking your BNB. So I will simply suggest that you go ahead and go with this one. But if you can go with this one, then fine, it is going to be earning you even more reward. All right, so this is basically all you need to know concerning this project, guys. So if you have any question, let me have it right there in the comment section, then I'll be there to help you answer it if I can. And this is all I have to tell you guys right here on this video. All right, so thank you for watching the video, and I will talk to you on the next one dropping very, very soon. Do not forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done that, and of course, do have a lovely day.